facts, the lies they're telling. So if you didn't like that previous video, you're gonna fucking hate this one. So like I said before, this picture of President Zelensky on the front lines in body armor, yeah, it's 2021. So that's false reporting. Oh, and the ghost of Kyiv, this amazing Ukrainian pilot who apparently shot down 10 Russian planes over the course of a week, yeah, that didn't happen. Just for context, any pilot who shoots down 5 enemy planes in their career is considered an ace. So for somebody to have shot down 10 enemy planes in a week, and I think it was 7 in a day, would be unfucking real. Yeah, so there's no ghost of Kyiv. It's just propaganda that everyone bought into, including the US media. And you remember the Snake Island 13? The soldiers who apparently told the Russian military to go fuck themselves and then were killed. Yeah, that didn't happen either. In fact, it wasn't just 13, it was 82 border guards. And all 82 of those border guards surrendered to the Russians. We now have footage of them being fed and housed and taken care of by the Russians who captured them. Oh, and this is the biggest one. This was apparently a civilian old lady who was driving her car down the street, and a Russian tank decided to veer over and try to kill her by running over her car. It was reported that way by the New York Post, and it was reported that way by Business Insider. But what actually happened was this was a Ukrainian tank. And that tank, while driving down the road, lost control and ran over this lady's car. So again, I'm not here to support Russia. I oppose everything he's fucking doing. I fully support the Ukrainian people, and I hope their military kills every single Russian who invades their country. But the media lies have to stop. And for fuck's sake, stop defending the lies.